Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your Facebook URL. Alright, so if you haven't done this already, your YouTube URL is typically going to be youtube.com / a bunch of random letters and numbers. And you're going to want to change this because if you try and go and give that link to someone, if someone's asking you, oh, what's your link? And you go, oh, it's youtube.com / 4RL38, whatever. Like, that's not going to be easy for people to understand. Now, I'll give you an example here. We just did this for AURET's channel. I'm going to show you how to do it in a second here. But it went from all those long characters to youtube.com / AURET music. Now, that's a lot easier to say to people and a lot easier for people to understand. So let me show you how to do it. All right, so the first thing that you're going to need is 100 subscribers. You need at least 100. You can't have 99, 98. You've got to have 100 and above. And I've actually tested this out, so I kept refreshing the page until AURET's music channel hit exactly 100, and then I was able to enable this function to be able to change the URL. Alright, so once you've got 100, you want to be in the YouTube dashboard, and you want to head over, you're in your Creator Studio, you want to head over to Channel, and you want to scroll all the way down, and you see there it says Custom URL. You're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. And it says Enable. You want to click on that. Okay, so here it's going to say you're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. Click that, and then this thing's going to pop up. It's going to say a couple of things. Okay, it's asking you if you want to select an option. They're going to give you some suggestions already because it knows that our channel name is called AURET Music. So it's giving us an option if we want to change it to that. So there's an other option here that would be AURET Music and a suffix of your choosing. That's not really the one that I want to go for because our channel name is called AURET Music, so I want it to be youtube.com / C / AURET Music. You actually don't need to have that C there. You can actually just go youtube.com / AURET Music. You just want to click on that when you're ready to change your URL. Alright, it's going to ask you to confirm. Okay, are you sure you want this change? Yes, I want it to be this AURET Music. Once you confirm your URL, you can't change it again or transfer the URL to someone else. So you guys want to make sure that, that's what you want it to be. Click confirm choice. Okay, so it's gonna say something like this channel does not exist. Don't get scared by that because I don't know why they do that, because that would actually scare someone when they were doing this change. But basically, just let's click enter to the channel link and it should go. Yeah, you see it's on the AURET Music. I don't know why they even put that as an option because that would scare the typical person. So as you can see, we're on the channel. That's the new link. It's not youtube.com with a whole bunch of letters and numbers anymore. It's youtube.com / C / AURET Music. Technically, you don't need to have the C there. If you just go AURET Music after the YouTube /, you should be fine. Alright guys, so that is how you change your YouTube URL. As you can see, it's really simple to do. You need to have at least 100 subscribers. Head into your dashboard, go into the channel settings, enable it, and then you can change it from there. Alright guys, if we were able to help you out at all, please let us know by giving us a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated.
Back from the dead.